Exploring Valentine's Day, celebrating love and friendship. On February 14th, people all around the world celebrate a special holiday known as Valentine's Day. It's a day about love and friendship, where people express their emotions and appreciation in various ways. Some fun Valentine's Day customs include exchanging cards and gifts, often with sweet poems or heartfelt sentiments written inside. People also give flowers, chocolates, and small presents to express their love. Some even plan romantic dinners or watch movies together to make the day extra special and memorable. Valentine's Day is also an important day to celebrate our friends and family. Many people give their friends cards or gifts to express their appreciation and gratitude. It's a great opportunity to remember the important people in our lives and show them our love and care. So whether you're spending romantic moments with a loved one or sharing warm moments with friends and family, Valentine's Day is a special day filled with love and friendship. Let's celebrate together.